these items.
Okay.
These,
No, the books we're talking about.
yeah, all this in a couple minutes because people
Okay.
like to start the day.
Thank you.
Sure. Start.
The people. You wave at the people? Yay! Here comes the cars. I'll wave at the cars. They wave.
Get out in the sun, it's going to make a difference, I think.
Vicky, my hairstylist, is right there.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, we go.
Yeah, it was. I thought, oh, goodness.
Come on. Come on.
Turn around the other way. Videoing. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Pictures.
I'm not taking pictures.
Taking a movie.
Take a movie when we're doing something. No, I'm going to train you. I want to see how excited you are. Oh, that's right.
What you got?
I can remember this one. So we were walking right down that next road right there, right on the other side of these buildings. That's where we